Hey MJ, what do we have here?
Chow mein noodles.
So what do you think we're gonna make?
Chow mein.
Yep. Let's do it. Welcome back to another Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M, this is...
MJ.
And this is...
Bunny Wunny Tunny.
Bunny Wunny Tunny. Oh my, I prefer
No, it's actually Bunny.
Just Bunny. I prefer Mr. Pants, your first name you came up with, but we'll go with that. Today,
Mr. Pants.
Today, as we mentioned, we're gonna make chow mein. So you'll need some chow mein noodles. Don't just grab any noodles, buy actual chow mein noodles. Should be available in any grocery store. Let's get cooking.
Let's get chicken.
Alright gang, ingredients time. As mentioned, you need 1 pack of chow mein noodles, a pound of cubed protein. We'll be using tofu, but you may use chicken. 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil. We'll be using peanut, some salt and pepper to cook on your protein, just a pinch. 1.5 cups-ish of cabbage chopped up, 1-ish cups of julienned carrots, 2 stalks-ish of celery chopped up. And then we'll need 3 cloves of garlic and 4 scallions, the whites and the greens separated. For the sauce, we need 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. All right. To get started, boil some water, and we're going to cook the noodle to the package directions. Our package directions say 3 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and set a timer for 3 minutes. Once they're done, you're going to go ahead and strain them and set them off to the side. Next, we need to make our sauce. Dump all of the sauce ingredients into a bowl and whisk. So that's going to be your soy sauce, sesame oil, hoisin, ginger powder, brown sugar, and cornstarch. And I recommend using a whisk. And once it's all combined, it should be a nice uniform texture and look like a sauce, basically, something like this. Up next, we have to cook our protein, so go ahead and add your neutral oil. Again, we're using vegetable or peanut, but you can use vegetable or canola or whatever is neutral that you like. And then we're going to put in our protein, and we're going to get it nice and browned up. Make sure that you don't forget to add some salt and pepper so it has taste. Nobody likes the taste of just tofu. That doesn't taste like anything. MJ's going to do a nice job browning it up, and it should look something like this, and that means we're ready to add some more ingredients. We're going to go ahead and add, we were going to add some celery, but MJ dumped that over. You're going to add your carrots, your cabbage, the greens of your scallions, and there goes the cabbage. This looks like an insane amount of food, and it kind of is for our tiny little wok. However, you're going to be okay because luckily for us, the cabbage is going to cook down like that. Add that garlic, just get it mixed in so you get a little bit of that garlicky flavor. And finally, I'm regretting buying a small wok again because we're going to add our chow mein noodles. And if you have a bigger wok, definitely don't use a little 9-inch one like I'm doing. Add that delicious chow mein sauce that you made and set off to the side. And then we just basically have to mixa. Once it's all fully combined, you are ready to eat. Apparently MJ's already ready to eat, as you can see. And it should look something like this for your final product. Let's see how it tastes. All right, so we're ready to try some food. I recommend garnishing with green onions, just a little bit on top. Gives it some extra good flavor, and if you're MJ, make sure you allow it a long time to cool so you don't burn your mouth. Let's see how we did. Very flavorful. I love the scratch-made sauce. Don't buy the jarred chow mein sauce. It's disgusting, and they add a bunch of stuff that's gross. The only thing, if you want to make it slightly more authentic, you could add some MSG, but I don't do that because I don't do MSG.
Bunny, Mrs. Bunny fell.
Sure did. Alright, well, I'm really hungry and I want to eat the rest of this, so I'm going to sign off from another Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M, this is...
MJ, and that's Mom.
And who's this? We're going with Mr. Pants. We'll see you again real soon.